Plant FAQs. Dracaena Cintho. How often to water Dracaena Cintho? Dracaena Cintho is a drought-tolerant plant, so it's better to underwater than overwater it. Here's a guide on how often to water it. Check the soil moisture. Stick your finger into the top inch or two of the soil. If it feels dry to the touch, it's time to water. You can also use a moisture meter and water when the reading reaches 2 to 3. Water thoroughly. When watering, soak the soil completely until water runs out of the drainage holes. Avoid letting the plant sit in water, as this can lead to root rot. Empty any saucer placed under the pot. Watering frequency. The frequency of watering will depend on factors like light, temperature, and pot size. In general, you might need to water every 4 to 6 weeks, with less frequent watering in winter when the plant grows slower. Here are some additional tips. Use distilled or filtered water if your tap water is high in minerals. Mist the leaves occasionally, especially during dry weather or winter, to increase humidity. How to care for Dracaena Cintho. Here's a breakdown on how to care for your Dracaena Cintho. Light. Thrives in bright indirect light. Avoid harsh direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Can tolerate lower light conditions, but might grow slower. Watering. Prefers to dry out slightly between waterings. Water deeply when the top half of the soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, which can cause root rot. Empty any drainage tray after watering. Use distilled or filtered water to avoid mineral buildup from tap water. Temperature and humidity. Prefers normal room temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts, air conditioning vents, or heaters. While tolerating average humidity, it appreciates occasional misting, especially during dry weather or winter. Additional care tips. Fertilize during the growing season, spring, and summer, with a diluted liquid fertilizer according to package instructions. You can propagate Dracaena Cintho through stem or top cuttings. Wipe leaves with a damp cloth occasionally to remove dust and improve air circulation. Is Dracaena Cintho toxic to cats? Yes. Unfortunately, Dracaena Cintho, like all Dracaena species, is toxic to cats. The toxic component is a compound called saponin found in the leaves, stems, and roots of the plant. If your cat ingests any part of the Dracaena Cintho, it can cause some unpleasant symptoms. Here are some signs to watch out for. Vomiting, sometimes with blood. Diarrhea. Loss of appetite. Depression. Excessive drooling. Abdominal pain. Incoordination. If you suspect your cat has eaten Dracaena Cintho, contact your veterinarian immediately. Here are some additional tips. Keep your Dracaena Cintho out of reach of your cat. Consider providing your cat with cat grass as an alternative to nibbling on houseplants. There are also pet-safe plants available that you can choose from.